Okay. So right now I am packing. Like I look rough, but I've been telling you guys that I was gonna be moving. Still don't know where that's gonna be, but basically we gotta be out of here in 2 weeks. So I can to pack the kitchen already. Because what I do not want is to be trying to figure out what to pack at the last minute. You know what I'm saying? But aren't these cute? These are some coasters. These are my mom's. So I just thought that as I pack, I could, you guys could see a little bit of what we got up in here. Then y'all can just see my lovely packing skills because they're just like so awesome. Maybe not that awesome, but hey. A lot of this paper has been reused when I moved last time. My mom has a thing for coasters. Here's some more coasters that she got. And these are like a jazz theme or something. But they're really cute. More coasters. Another coaster and a snow globe. These are just little knickknacks that were hanging around in the kitchen. Alright, so what else can we fit in here that belongs to my mom? That's another thing. Right now the plan is for us to go our little separate ways because my mom wants to move back to Oklahoma. I don't. So I'm packing our stuff separately. And so, yeah, I'm packing our stuff separately. Let me see what little knickknacks I can find of hers. I don't see it. But I think I can pack her shot glasses. I'm gonna go ahead and pack her shot glasses. yourself. This is hers too. That's it right there on top. Yep. Put that inside. I got room for one more item. What is it going to be? Let me get some more paper from outside. Alright, so I got that box all done. And I'm going to show you. Well, let me tape it up first. Get you some tape that has this little thing where it cuts off for you automatically. It costs a little bit more, but oh my god, it's so much easier, worth it to me. You know, I have to sit there and be trying to keep up with sleeves and tape and all that. It's just my opinion. I didn't get a new Sharpie, but this is a box that something my mom ordered came in, and I got all her little knickknacks, and then I labeled it so she'll know. It has V kitchen, then it says mom V, then it just says kitchen knickknacks, and then it just lists briefly what's in there. Not everything that's in there, but mostly what's in there. That way you have an idea. And then it also has that be yourself sign. Oh, boom. There we go. I'm at Chipotle. Haven't been here in a while. What we gonna get? Yeah. I want white rice for the first one.
White rice for me, please.
No rice for the second one.
Hi, can I get a bowl with hard shell peppers on the side? Yeah. But a bowl. Yeah. 3 please. Very good. I'm gonna eat it.
Black beans for that one. And then on the second one, pinto? Yeah.
No rice?
No rice. And then chicken for both.
No. Fajita for me, chicken working. And yeah, when it comes out, black beans.
Pico? Corn, sour cream, and cheese. And that's for that one too. Alright. Well, this is like real close to personal. Aren't we? You don't even see me. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna rain. Oh, it is raining. morning, y'all. I'm supposed to leave the house like a whole, 15 minutes ago? I was supposed to leave at 9:30. It's now 9:45. So I'm running heck late. I'm on my way to meet with my advisor to get an education plan. I'm just doing the steps and hopefully everything works out as far as the financial aid and stuff go. And I'm able to come up with at least half of what I owe to start classes in the fall. So that's what I'm on my way to do. So y'all wish me luck. Alright, so we're done with the meeting. Do y'all have your seatbelts on?
Yep.
Vivica, wear your seatbelt. It is not on. Why you sit there and tell me a story?
I didn't tell you the story.
Sound like you said,
I didn't say mm-hmm.
Put your seatbelt on.
What about me? I said.
Okay, put your seatbelt on.
No, I said yes, and you said.
Hey, Donovan.
Hi, Donovan.
Alright, so yeah, I'm done with the meeting. I got my, okay. Because I'm on academic probation, I had to do a review of undergrad educational plan for student. So I got that done. And so I had to meet with an advisor to do that, with my advisor to do that. So that's done right here. And then we went over the classes that I should take for the fall. And y'all, like seriously, I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 classes to take, and then I'll go into the internship. So I have 9 classes to finish, then I'll go into the internship in residency. And then that's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 classes right there. But those 7 classes also intertwine with the residency, which is like out in the field, which is like the student teaching or whatever. So I'm so excited to be so close to being done. And so we just to get ready to head out. Girl, you got your seatbelt on now? What's wrong, Don? Oh, Stevie, reach it. Is his candy in the door? Right here. Reach in the door. It's right there. Look in there. Don, that's enough. Here. That was just made her footrest in my car. Alright. Now let's. I think I have to go this way to go up. I honestly don't know. So y'all already know that my little what's this thing called? My little phone holder. My phone's a little too big for it, so it like jiggles or whatever. So I gotta get one that's a little bit more sturdier. So I'm gonna end this. Well, I'm not gonna end the vlog, but I'm gonna turn this off for now. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye.